In this video, you will see how to create multiple pins on Google Map. You can see here I added multiple pins on this Google Map, and when I click on any of the pins, I can see the address for that particular pin. So let's get started. I have 10 addresses here on this Google Sheet. If you have the addresses on some other place, you need to copy them into a Google Sheet and you can add more than 10 addresses. Now we are going to create multiple pins on Google Map. For that, first I'll go to extension and get an add-on. Here I'll search for geocode and select this geocode by Awesome Table. Here's the extension. I'll just install it. I need to provide the permissions for the add-on. After installing the add-on, click on the extensions menu and you will see this new option, Geocode by Awesome Table. Now click on this Start Geocoding. Here you will see it selected the address column automatically. If you have multiple columns on your Google Sheet, then you need to define the column. Now I will click on the geocode and it will start finding the latitude and longitude for all the addresses. After finding the latitude and longitude, you will see an option Create Map. Click on the Create Map option. Now here you will see the Open Map option. Click on this. It will open a new tab. You need to log in with your Google account on this website. Allow the access so that it can access your Google Sheet. Here you can see all the pins on the Google Map. If you click on any of the pins, you will see the address for that pin. You can zoom in or zoom out the map. If you want to view the map on full screen, then click on these three dots and copy filtered URL. Now open a new tab and paste that URL. Here you can see the bigger map and click on this button to make the map on full screen. You will see an option to print the map with the pins. If you see this group, then you need to zoom in a little and you can change the layout of the paper. I'll select Later and Landscape. Now I can see all the pins. But if you have more than 10 pins and you need to view more area of the map, then you can go to the previously copied URL with the view option and select this full screen and get a print screen and save it. Let me show you. I use Greenshot to capture screenshots. You can watch this video to learn more about Greenshot. Okay, now here you can get a printout or crop the image or anything you want to do. When you have multiple pins on the map and you want to find a particular map, then you can just copy the address for that pin and paste it here to see that particular pin. Watch this video to learn how to draw radius maps on Google Maps. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.